Here's another factoring the cube um, problem. So the first thing I do is I write out the general form of the equation, which I'm underlining in green. So that way I have it. So this is a cubed minus b to the third equals a minus b in parentheses a squared minus ab plus b squared. I know my a's kind of look like 9, so I apologize. And here's the practice problem. You have x to the third minus 125 y to the sixth. So as soon as you see that third power, you want to see if you could take the cube root of it. So the cube root of x to the third would be like x raised to the third power. So we're basically um, uncombining it or taking that cube root. Minus 125 y to the sixth. Well, the cube root of 125 is 5. And then y to the sixth would be, the cube root of that would be 2. And then that's raised to the third power. So now that you have this, a is equal to x because it's in this position right here. What's in the b position? That's going to be your 5y squared. And if you use this strategy of writing out the general form of the equation, seeing if you can take the cube root of these numbers and then writing a or b, this next part becomes really easy. So now all you do is you substitute in. So what's a? A is equal to x minus b, which is going to be 5y squared. Close the parentheses, open the parentheses. You have a squared, so that's going to be x raised to the second power minus a times b, x times 5y squared plus b squared, which is 5y squared, running out of room, to the second power. Okay, so now that you have everything plugged in, all you want to do is simplify. So the first term is super easy. You don't have to simplify anything. So that's just going to be x minus 5y squared. For the second set of parentheses, x to the second power is x squared. X times 5y squared is going to be negative, you could say 5xy squared or 5yx, either way. So I'm just going to do it. So the 5y squared is still together and call it 5y squared x. Plus, you have 5y to the second power at the end. 5 times 5 is 25. Y to the second power raised to the second power. Remember, you're multiplying it, so that would be y to the fourth. Okay, you might think it's addition, but it's not. An exponent raised to an exponent is multiplication. And then that's it. It's factored.